This is Bucky with Carolina Tractor Works. We in Red Springs, North Carolina, doing some right-of-way clearing for Red Springs and Northern Railroad Foundation. Red Springs, North Carolina. We're gonna try to clear a good bit of that up that container you see up there, where they can put in another container or two out here to store their rider cars in. Progress in motion. We're trying to keep our equipment under cover and keep it from getting in the weather, and try to get everything up under a shed so that we can keep it looking good and safe for it to be safe to ride on. So y'all watch out. There'll be more videos coming. Red Springs and Northern Carolina Tractor Works, push hogging the right away. Down here on the end, it goes towards Shannon and on down toward, goes toward, not Shannon, but goes toward Campbell Soup and on down to Maxton. What used to be part of the Land Coastline. We down here doing a little right away mowing. Clearing it back where they can put the containers out here. Here's the Bucky, Carolina Tractor Works, on location, Red Springs and Northern. Red Springs, Northern Railroad, Red Springs, North Carolina. We'll see you in a bit.